Manipur Chief Minister N.Biren Singh conveyed his wishes to all the athletes, coaches and sports lovers of the country on this National Sports Day. He mentioned the character-building propensity of sports that helps to bring people together, while urging the need to provide appropriate support and encouragement to budding sport talents in the country. Sport builds not only character and discipline, but also cohesion, resilience and a sense of community, N.Biren Singh has said in his message. He called upon all to reaffirm their commitment to support athletes in their quest for excellence. N.Biren Singh also extended homage to legendary Major Dhyam on National Sports Day, whose immense contributions to Indian hockey is an inspiration to many generations. Let us pay tribute to the great legacy of the Major Dhyam and pay our respects to the inspirational triumphs of our athletes, he added. Singh had also called on general public to inculcate in themselves the spirit of teamwork, respect and harmony while instrumentalizing the role of sports in nation-building processes. His message rhymed with the broader celebrations of National Sports Day, marking the birth anniversary of Major Dhyam, a day assigned to give recognitions to the role of sports and physical activities in the society.